Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can download and install VMware software on your Windows laptop. This may be 10 laptop or 11 laptop. Currently, my Windows is Windows 11. See here, to install any other secondary OS like Linux, or for say mine is Windows 11, and if I want to install Windows 10 on the same machine, I need to download and install this VMware. So in this video tutorial, we'll see how you can download and where you can download this VMware and what are the simple steps to install this VMware. This all will take just less than 5 minutes. I'll show you. See, I have installed this CentOS here. CentOS, which is Linux. Likewise, you can install any other OS version you want. Okay, for now, you need to open Google Chrome or any browser. Just browse through this website called VMware Workstation.en.download.it, or simply on Google you can search as VMware download, and the third website see here VMworkstation.en. So what I'll do is I'll copy this link and drop in the description. You can click on the description for this link. You need to click on this download. Later you will find one more download option at this say start download, and it is very less in size. See here, I have just downloaded this, which is 2.3 MB. You need to open this download folder and right click on this and click on run as administrator. So it is better to run as administrator for the permissions purpose. Once you click on run as administrator, the installation process will begin. Okay, see, it has started. I choose the English, so I'll minimize everything. Welcome to VMware Workstation. So I'll accept the terms and conditions, and I'll click on accept the terms and condition. You'll see a run option just below once it is processed. Yeah, there is a run option. See here, click on the run. Preparing VMware Workstation. Yeah, the overall installation may take like 10 to 15 minutes. You need to go through step by step. Yes, so there is a documentation open on the website preparing to install. Okay, fine. Yeah, welcome to the VMware Workstation Pro setup wizard. Please wait while the setup wizard properties to guide you through the installation. Yes, it took me like 2 to 3 minutes until this step. I'll click on this finish. The whole process has been finished, and on the desktop there is the shortcut icon created VMware. I need to double click on this. So double click on this and a pop-up appears. Here it will ask you to enter the license because this has to be purchased, but now I'll choose the second option. I want to try VMware Workstation for 16 to 30 days. I'll click on continue, and I'm using the free version. Okay, I'll click on finish, and this is what VMware will look like. And here I need to create a new machine. That machine may be Windows 10 operating system or Fedora or Linux OS. I'll choose the custom here. Click on next, and yeah, everything are okay. Click on next. I need to choose the operating system here. I'll close this. This is not the one. Here I need to browse the ISO file. Earlier I have downloaded CentOS 7 ISO file, which is available under my download folder. So I'm just choosing this. In this place you need to choose whichever operating system you want to install on this current VMware. So I'll just click on next. All these defaults are okay, and here I need to create a admin account or the root account. I give the username as admin and choose the password and confirm the password and click on next. And on this path VMware OS has been creating, that is okay. The number of process one okay. Click on next, and here you need to choose the RAM for this particular VMware software, means the OS version you're installing here, right? I choose something like 2 GB because my overall computer has 8 GB only, so I partition it to 2 GB and click on next. Okay, the defaults, the recommended options I'll be keeping, so I'll click on next, next, next. All I'm keeping in the recommended only, recommended by the software. Create a new virtual disk. Okay, fine. Click on next. You need to click on next. Yeah, click on next. switch virtual disk into multiple files. Okay, click on next. And the hard disk I allocated like 20 GB. So click on finish. Yeah, finish. So once all this process is finished, you need to create a root account and a user account on this OS particularly. So I'll show you this process has been completed. For this it took me like 15 minutes. Okay, I'll minimize everything, and this is what you'll see once the installation setup is completed. And here the actual installation process means I need to select the language, so I'm choosing English and English India. And at the bottom right, when you scroll to the right, you'll see continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. Yes, once you click on continue, yes, it will ask you to create a root password and a user creation. First I'll choose the root password. You can choose any complex password. Okay, choose the password and repeat the password. See here, root password. Be careful, you need to use this at the login. So write it somewhere or save it somewhere. Allow root SSH login with password. Okay, I check this option. And where is this done option? That may be at the top left here. This is the done option. Click on the done option here. Once you click on done option, I need to create the user account. Now root password I have created. Click on the user. I need to give the username and choose the password. So I'll quickly finish this. Full name I'll keep just like Arun and repeat Arun. Choose a password for myself. Confirm the password. And where is this done? At the top left. Click on done here. So root and the user have been created. Yes, I need to go to the, yes, bottom right. I need to go to the bottom right. There will be option something like begin installation activated. So you need to click on begin installation. Remember, this may take like 2 to 3 hours. It took roughly like 2 hours, approximately 2 hours, because the whole OS has to be installed and ready on this VMware system, and it has been completed. So I'll, yeah, once the installation is successful, you need to right click on this, the CentOS, and under power you need to click on restart guest. Once you click on restart guest, it will ask you to sign in with your username and the password what you have created earlier. So when you click on that login information, this is the screen what you will see. Then you need to click on this guest and click on this. It will ask you to enter the password for this. Click on enter. Now you are logged in into this OS under VMware.